K-Flax. Yes, it is highly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and you all know that. And it will be like fatty acids, it's there in every food, right? You can have it if you have anything that has fatty acids. No. This fatty acid, omega-3 fatty acid, which is present in K-Flax, is really good for the development of brain and also eye, etc. This one can only be taken as supplements. Only be taken as supplements. It is not produced in any diet, any food that you get directly. So K-Flax is the only option available for this. Now, these are the only 3 different products that I would like to introduce. I know there are hundreds of other products as well. I'm just a beginner, as you know. I'm just beginning to know many other products as well. I will grow, and one day I will come to you all and I will introduce the other next 3 as well. And now what I would like to tell you is that I do not know if there is anybody of my age in this beautiful company, but I would like to tell you that this K-Link is a wonderful opportunity to every youngsters who is going to think positively and wanted to achieve success in their life. My dad always told me that you should catch opportunity like you kill a mosquito. He said that if you find beauty in an opportunity, don't wait others to agree if that is beautiful. And that is why I am here. I always wanted to talk about this company, the products, everything from my personal experience, not from someone else. Why would I talk about someone else? They had that and now they have this one, now they have a very healthy and very fit. Why should I talk about them when I am the result? I wanted to come here to showcase the result, and yes, I am the result. I have taken every necessary daily basis K-Link products, which has boosted my productivity, my studies, and by the grace of God, I would like to advertise on myself that I am the top of my schools as well. Thank you to all these products as well. And so I would like to conclude my speech, whatever it is, by taking every youngsters and also seniors, of course, in my pocket and telling you that there are many other companies, I know, and there are many other plants as well all over the world. But K-Link, here this company, the plants and the products do not speak. Their result speaks. So, choose this opportunity. Let's bring a new, wonderful K-Link into this India and all over the world. Thank you all. See you all next time.